Ah, that's a good cup of tea. Alright, g'day gang. I haven't made a video in a while, but I'm making this one because I received a comment I want to say a few months ago, but because I've been so inactive, I've only just seen it. So, someone was asking, how do you chuck the collar tabs on the collars of the first pattern Imperial Force, or any pattern really, Australian Imperial Force tunics. This is the same for most First World War Commonwealth collar tabs, same badges. Yeah, relatively easy too, but someone wanted a hand with it, so I thought I might as well help out and make this video. So what the collar tab is, or the badge, is insignia for the Australian Commonwealth Military Force. This was used, this particular Rising Sun badge was used, can I get it to focus? Not going to focus for me, is it? If I get it real close. Hey, there we go, finally. It's just unfocused on me. There we go. As you can see, it's got the Rising Sun, it's got the crown, and Australian Commonwealth Military Forces. Now, the Rising Sun badge can be seen as early as the Boer War, I've seen, as collar tabs. Prior to that, I'm not extremely sure on the history of it, but yeah. So I'll go ahead and show you. I've got one already placed on. You can see it's pretty tight. It's not very loose, and it's just held on by this little clip here that goes through the two little threads there. And it's the exact same with the shoulder titles, which are just Australia on this one. Now, prior to having the badges in, it would have obviously been just the material covering, and two holes would have been placed pretty precisely where it has to be. So that can be done yourself, or I got mine already put in there. So what we'll do is we'll push it through the two holes, chuck the collar tab in, and you can see we've just got these two little threads poking out. Get our pin, squeeze it together. We'll go from the outside in. We'll push it through until we get to the other one. It's the same process. And there you go, we've got it in. Now I can just push it in all the way, and then it's nice and tight on the collar there. So pretty straightforward. That's how you put the collar tab badges on your tunic. It's the exact same as the shoulder titles here. So yeah, pretty straightforward video, but thought I'd help out anyone that needed a hand with that. These ones are not original, these are reproduction. Most of my First World War kit is reproduction. Got a few original items, but and I have just bought a few more items, so there will be an update soon on my First World War Australian kit. So thanks for paying attention, and keep in tune. Cheers, catch ya.